Welcome to Coding Classic. Today, I will teach you how to create fixed search bar using HTML and CSS. And you can freely add it to your project. Before we begin, please, if you are new here, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos. Let's begin. Create your HTML file and CSS file. Add the HTML basics or boilerplate. Edit the title of your project. Then link your CSS file to your HTML file. I used Fontalsum in this project. To use it, go to their website or Google search engine to copy the CDN link. Copy the link. Paste it in the head of your project. Start adding some structures in the body of your HTML, starting from a wrap container, then search container. Add input and search button. Here is the preview of our search bar so far. Let's start styling our search bar. Adding white background color to the body. Then next is search container. Next is search term. Here is the preview. Let's continue styling. I forgot to add class name to the button tag. So, let's add class name called search button. Then let's style our search button. Here is the preview. Finally, let's style our wrap container. The search term focus color doesn't look good. Let's change it. Here is the look of our final product. Please give a review by commenting below. And also don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.